Yeah, ready. Ready, go. Go. The dog in the manger. On one day, a dog was looking for a comfortable place to sleep. He looked in the barn and saw some hay in the cow's manger. The dog knew that the hay was the cow's supper, but he jumped into the manger, lying down on the hay, and was sound asleep. Sometime later, the cow, tired and hungry, came back from the field where she had to work all day. She was thinking of the good supper she was going to find in the manger, but when she saw the dog lying on the hay, she didn't know what to do. Wake up, the cow said to the dog. I work all day and I'm very hungry. Let me eat my supper. The dog got angry because the cow woke him up. He stood up in the manger and said to the cow, get out of here and leave me alone. I don't care if this is your hay. I am going to sleep here. The cow said, you can eat my hay and you don't want me to eat it. Why don't you let others have what you can use? You're very selfish.
Let me see.